Hello everybody, this is Falcon Spaceman, and today I have a new design for the Tic Tac Toe machine that I originally made. This one uses a slightly different system, as well as a touchscreen, and it makes it significantly smaller, but there are a few drawbacks. Main drawback is that there is no clear line, so if you want to reset the game, you have to do so manually. And in order to place a circle, you have to first place an X, and then change it to a circle. The system uses a hopper and comparators and a lock system to update and move an item around. But it does mean that you have to have an item in the hopper. You can technically bring this design into something like this and have a really small tic-tac-toe machine, but it is really confusing to tell the difference between a right or a left or an X and an O. Bag of soup. Each one of the cells for the machine is tileable to an extent. It is hoppers with the lock, and the target just feeds in. The comparators read the signal and then send it to the same sprite ROM that was used in the original. This piece and forward is the sprite ROM. It has repeaters going down the middle that matches up with this center. These are also inputs going forward. It goes a glass tower to go up a block. This brings it over, and these all create the edges for the circle. This comparator, I do believe, needs a repeater in order to work properly, but this one can just go into a block and into the repeaters. The input line can go up and go into the torch like this. This part is just extra for a demonstration. And this repeater lock system, I have going counterclockwise, but I really don't think it matters. It'll just decide who goes first, the X or the O. And then as this gets hit with a snowball or breeze ball or wind charge, it will go through and cycle all the different modes. Unfortunately, if you use an oak button, it will cause it to just kind of break down and not really do the right thing. But if you instead change the input to a copper bulb and a comparator and an observer, you can use pretty much anything, including buttons or tridents or arrows, and it will still work normally. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a subscribe if this helps you out. And please let me know if this tutorial is not enough and if I need to go more in depth into design.